video, you will learn and understand the basic concept and elements of Prezi.
First, we must rename the presentation title, but where we can find the untitled presentation or where we can change the title of our presentation. So located at the top of the left corner beside the three horizontal lines is the untitled presentation. So just click the untitled presentation and change the title and insert the desired title of your presentation. So let's say for example, we are going to title our presentation as the good governance. So just type your desired title and it will be automatically saved. So after that, in the left panel of our presentation, you can see the overview text. So it means that all of your creation or all of the templates, all of the slides that you are going to create later on will appear here in the left panel of your presentation, including the overview because if from the word itself, overview, all of your presentations or all of your slides will appear here in the left panel of your presentation. So after that, in the middle, as we can see, it is called the canvas. It is not called the slide or the template, but it is called the canvas. So just like in sketching, we have the canvas. Here in our Prezi, we also have the canvas. And in the right side panel is the panel where other elements will appear when you select a certain action or template. So let's say for example, we can as we for let's say for example, we are going to select the background. So there you go. The right panel will appear in your presentation. So above, as you can see above, in this row, we have our basic functions such as the style. So let's discover or let's unveil what is the inclusion of the style. So just click the style and click first is the background. So just click the background. So another template will appear in the right panel of your presentation. Just scroll down and you can see other templates that you can use in your presentation. So change your background color and even upload your own image as your background. So you can change your background color depending on your desired background of your presentation. So in our case, we are not going to utilize any background color because we just want it make it simple. So there you go. So select available images as your background, but it is only limited as you only subscribe to a basic license. Other images have the lock button or the lock icon indicating that it is not free. So once you click that, so the offer of Prezi will appear in your screen, including the offers, prices, the inclusion of the prices or the offers. So there you go. So recognize the search engine. There is a search engine in the right panel where you can browse your desired background image, but again, it is not available and free at all. So let's say for example, we're going to search sunset. So let's see if there is a sunset, but again, we can browse any photos or background because we are only availing or uh, using the basic plan of Prezi. So once you unlock or once you avail to other offer of Prezi, uh, possible that there is another options that is preferable or that is free to use upon your subscription. So after that, so let's proceed to our colors. So for our colors, so as you can see that the right panel also appeared in your presentation. So we already clicked the color. So the color palette and the color scheme will appear also in the right panel of your presentation. So you can create your own color palette depending on your own taste of color, or you can freely select your desired color scheme considering your goal, ideal, and preferences outcome of your presentation within the provided templates. So that for example, we're going to use this default palette. So you can choose some palette that fits to your desired presentation outcome. So in our case, we are not going to utilize some color palettes for now. So, but let's proceed to our. Okay, you can. By the way, you can also create a new color palette. But once again, once you avail other Prezi offer aside from the basic plan. There you go. So after that, let's proceed to the style again. So just click the text style once again. So click the text style and it will appear the different text style templates located in the right panel of your presentation. So you can also create your own text style if you don't want to select in any provided default text style by the application. But once again, it is not free because we are only availing the basic plan. But if you avail other offers of Prezi, you can utilize or you can use other or you can create your own style or your own text style. So let's say for example, we are going to use this body text style. So and then it will appear on our canvas. Okay. So we can use the default text style because we only availing the basic plan of Prezi. So but however you can also have the text by later on that we are going that is part of our discussion. So lastly in text style is the watermark that will be available when you subscribe the other plan aside from basic plan. It allows you to secure your template with your own copyright or watermark of your own presentation. So that's all of the inclusion of the style portion or the style elements of our Prezi. So next in a row is the frame. So the frame allows you to zoom in and zoom out a presentation within the canvas. For now, we are not going to utilize the frame for our presentation, but this is how it works when you use it. So let's say for example, we utilize the frame and then just click the next slide and then your presentation will zoom in or zoom out. So that's all. So next to our elements is the text. So just click the text, the default text style of the application will appear on the right panel of your application as well, providing you some choices referring to your preferences. So in our case, the elements of our text appeared in the above uh, corner or above part of our presentation. So next, once you select the text style, you can now customize your text. So let's say for example, we are going to type the good governance. Okay, you can also adjust the size. You can also adjust the size of your text depending on your preferences or depending on the size of your desired text of your presentation. There you go. So you can also move the text whenever or wherever you want it to place or what is the placement or where is the placement of your text within your presentation. So in addition, you can select the so this is the text style. By the way, this is the text style. You can choose whether it is a title, subtitle, subtitle 2, or just a body or the body 2. So select your font. So there are some default font that used in the documents or in the canvas. It is free because you are availing the basic plan. So therefore, you can utilize those default font provided by the Prezi. So this is the font and it includes the Arimo, IBM Black Sans, Volcorn, Abril Font Face, and other fonts that is available in Prezi. So the application provided some options of fonts that fits to your presentation. So you can freely choose whatever font you want depending on your presentation. So you can also adjust the font once again depending on your ideal outcome of your text. You can make it bold, unbold, and you can make it italic or unitalic and set a background of your text. So you can also set a background of your text just like this. So you can also adjust the opacity of your background text. So as you can see, you can also adjust the opacity of your background text, either hard or soft or nothing. So that's all, and you can also adjust the corner radius of your text, either it is oblique or just a solid rectangle. So you can also pick a color of your text, what will look like. So let's say, for example, we have the combination of yellow background and blue text, and that's it. You can have your desired text of your presentation, and there are also extended actions within the elements, including the link. So just click the text, and then just click the text. Okay, so this, just click the link. Okay, just click the text, and we have the link. Okay, we have the alignment, we have the list and identification. Once you have to identify something or identify something, we also have this icon or platform where we can use the listing or identification. So in addition, you can also have, or you can also add animation, and you can add this font or text to your library. So others are alignment keys and identification, add the animation, and add to your library. So that's all for the inclusion of our text. And let's proceed to our media. So our media includes uh, many sub-elements will appear, which include the image. So first, just click the media and the elements will appear. So just click the image. When you click the image, options of in-stack image will appear in the right panel of your presentation. So we have this upload button, we have the search engine, and we have the free images provided by Prezi, and we have the premium images. So select available media or images depending on what you need for your presentation. So it is limited because you only subscribe to basic plan, and you can also upload your image of your presentation by clicking on the upload button. So let's say for example we're going to upload our image for our presentation. Let's say for example we are going to upload this uh, sunset or this sunrise or the sun icon of to our presentation. So and there you go. You already uploaded your desired image for your presentation. Okay, after that, so all actions are just in the media, all actions are just the same as the video. As the video, it will appear in the right panel of your presentation. You can also upload your video or embed in YouTube. So also we have the GIF. We can also upload our GIF. You can search a GIF, or the Prezi provided the recommended GIF, and we have the premium GIF powered by GIPHY. So next one, we also have the sticker. It also appeared in the right panel of your presentation, and it includes the upload button, or you can upload your sticker. We also have the search engine, and of course the recommended by Prezi. Let's say for example, we're going to use this recommended GIF to our presentation. Okay, it is now loading, and let's proceed to the proceeding part. We also have the icon. So the icon, okay, this is the GIF we used recently. So this is how it works. Okay, so let's proceed to icon. So in our icon, so in the right panel of your presentation, there is a upload button where you can upload your own icon. You can search an icon, and the Prezi provided your recommended icons that you can utilize to your presentation. So let's say, for example, we are going to use this map icon where it is considered as significant on providing an overview to your topics, to your what the topic indicating for, what the topic indicating of. So we can use some icons pertaining to your topics. Okay, so after that, we have the audio where you can upload your audio by upgrading the feature of Prezi. We also have the chart. So however, you can also use the chart when you avail the other options or other offers of Prezi. We also have the PowerPoint and also have the PDF. So that's the inclusion of the media. So it includes image, video, GIF, sticker, icon, audio, chart, PowerPoint, and of course PDF. So after that, in terms of shape, next to our element is the shape. So once you click the shape, other options of shape will appear to our presentation. So let's say, for example, we can select between the rectangle, circle, triangle, line, and arrow. So first, we can now change. We can select a shape. Let's say, for example, uh, we are going to select the rectangle. So the rectangle. So first, we can now change its presets. You can select a presets of a rectangle. So you can also change the color of the rectangle. So for example, let's make it lavender. Let's make it purple and adjust the opacity from soft to clear. And we can also adjust the corner ranges of our rectangle. So also you can also have the border of your rectangle. Let's say, for example, we are going to use the yellow border to our rectangle. There you go. Okay, in a while. Okay. So after that, we also have the link button where you can link the rectangle. We also have the animation where you can use an animation to your rectangle, and of course you can add the rectangle template to your library with this add to my library icon. So okay, that's all for our shape. And last to our elements is the story block. So story blocks are just the topics or subtopics that come with pre-designed content, layouts, and placeholders to make building presentation easier and more efficient. So click the story block button. So once we click the story block button, many options will appear in the right panel of your presentation. So you can choose your preferred story block of your presentation. So let's say, for example, we are going to uh, choose this objective type of our story block. When we have an objective to our presentation, we can utilize this story block for us to easily convey the messages that we want to share to our audience or to our students. So next one, we can also, one of the feature of Prezi, we can also change the background or change the icon color or change the shape color of our story block. So in our case, let's say, for example, we are going to change the color of our goals. And we can also change the color of our text by the provided global colors and customs of the Prezi presentation. So there you go. So you can also you can also input your description of your learning goal. Let's say, for example, it is a learning goal. You can also insert the text that you want to describe your presentation or the learning goal indicated in the story plan. Okay, there you go. So after that, the other elements like this three horizontal button, just click the horizontal button, it is more. and it includes the planet topic, page topic, stop topic, animation, presenter notes, and library will be used later on, and let's discuss it one by one once we use it for you to easily grasp the comprehend its function. So proceeding, we have this human icon as an ad collaborator. You can also share your, you can also search or you can share their email for them to edit, for them to present or to view your presentation. So you have the discretion, either they can edit, they can comment, or they can present your presentation. So once you already input their email, just click it done. So after that, we also have the eye icon. Once you click the eye icon, it is considered as the preview of your presentation. So once you have the presentation, just click the eye icon to to preview your presentation. And once you want to back to edit, just click the back edit button. So after that, we can also see the share button uh, at the right corner of our presentation. Just click the share button and you have the discussion whether get the link, export to PDF, share to broadcast link, or to collaborate. And lastly, you can click the present button for you to present your presentation. You can also have the discussion whether you start presentation or presenter view, and record as video. So let's say for example, we are going to present our presentation, or just click the start presentation. Okay, there you go.